It is just so important for us to have our students back in the classrooms, learning with their teachers, learning with their peers. After having gone through everything that we've gone through over the past year, it's just great to be able to get back to some semblance of normalcy. Just seeing the kids on campus and seeing them interacting with their peers and seeing the staff and just being with people, just being around everybody, it just makes me feel really good.
I think when I got here this morning, just checking everything, I probably did 3 loops around the entire campus before 7:30. But I think just a lot of making sure that we're prepared as much as we can be. And then I'm so happy that we're moving back into the right direction. I'm happy that they're here. I'm happy that they chose to be here.
I'm very excited to meet my students for the first time. I'm excited just to get to see them face to face and continue building those relationships that we've started this year.
Oh, I think it's huge. I think the personal connection of a teacher, a student, people don't realize it until you don't have it anymore. You took it for granted. And I think we're just going to see better and better outcomes as the days go by, meaning happier students, more productive students.
We've learned a lot throughout this pandemic that has informed how we've responded and how we've prepared for in-person learning. And there's a lot that we will learn from having the students back that will inform what we do in the fall.
This is new for all of us. We all dealt with online learning together at the beginning of the year, and that was new, and now hybrid learning is going to be new. And so really just to be patient and give their teachers time to kind of figure it out this week, what works and what doesn't, but also to communicate. If something is not working for them.
Our students and families who are choosing to come are choosing because they think this is the best option and decision. We're really working to ensure that we have really just the best experience on both sides for students at home and students here. I know a lot of our teachers have gone to great lengths to kind of build class community. It just doesn't happen unless everybody's working together.
There are so many mitigation measures, right, that we've put in place. The masks are required, the distancing, spreading out of students, the vaccinations, right, the cleaning, the air purification. There's so many overlapping mitigation measures that it is very safe.
The measures that we've put in place, all of the training that the teachers have received, all of the communication to parents, students, the community, I think all of those things combined have made us ready to welcome our students back.
I'm just really proud that they've made it through this year. They haven't given up. They keep trying. They're asking questions. They're asking for help. They're communicating when they don't get it. And I think that's something that they should be proud of, and we should all be proud of them for.